In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Asana certified. This certification can be a valuable asset, whether you're looking to showcase your proficiency in Asana for personal development or to enhance your professional credentials. Let's walk through the steps together so you can achieve this certification with confidence. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Asana's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Asana's homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed with the certification process. But assuming you're already a user, just go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and this will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and personal preferences. From this menu, you need to select the Admin Console. The Admin Console is where you'll find various administrative tools and resources that Asana offers to its users. Next, within the Admin Console, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see several options, but what you're going to focus on is the Resources tab. Click on Resources, and this will take you to a new section dedicated to providing you with access to different learning materials and certification programs. In the Resources section, look for an option that says Register for Certificate. This is your gateway to the Asana certification process. Clicking on this option will redirect you to the Asana Academy, which is where the certification program is hosted. Now that you've reached the Asana Academy, you'll need to follow the steps outlined there to complete your certification. Typically, this will involve going through a series of instructional modules designed to test and confirm your understanding of Asana's features and functionalities. These modules are structured to help you learn at your own pace, ensuring you grasp each concept thoroughly before moving on to the next. By completing these steps and passing the necessary assessments, you will earn your Asana certification, which you can then proudly display as part of your professional qualifications. Keep in mind that being certified not only proves your expertise, but also demonstrates your commitment to mastering this powerful project management tool. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to becoming Asana certified. Best of luck, and remember to take your time to understand each module of the course fully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.